Today I'll be teaching you how to make your natural sex booster, that is your home Viagra. I'll be teaching you how to make your natural sex booster for both male and females. If you have been battling with low sex drive, dry vagina, if you have been battling with weak erection, if you are a man and you are not always in the mood, today I'll be teaching you how to make your natural sex booster that will boost your sex drive. You can make this drink at the comfort of your home. What you need is just 4 ingredients that is easily accessible and very affordable. You can get these 4 ingredients anywhere. This video was actually inspired by one of my community members that reached out to me and told me that he needs a natural sex booster for him and his wife. Something that both of them can take together. Something that they can prepare at home by themselves. So I said, instead of answering them in my DM, I decided to make this video so that a lot of you, so many of you suffering from low libido, dry vagina and so on will benefit from this video. So let's get into it. You need 4 ingredients. The first ingredient is beetroot. Beetroot is actually a sex enhancer. Beetroot contains nitrate. This nitrate is converted to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide, you all know, opens your blood vessels down there, down your joystick, and increase blood flow. And when there is enough blood flow down your joystick or down your vagina, if you are a lady, you will have multiple orgasms during sex. If you are a man, you will have a rock hard erection and you will have the stamina for sex. You will not get tired easily during sex. Another ingredient is watermelon. Watermelon contains citrulline. This citrulline is converted to arginine. You know what arginine does? Arginine increases blood flow, enough blood flow down your joystick. Another thing arginine does is that it boosts nitric oxide, which opens your blood vessels down your joystick, and this is actually very powerful. When this happens, there will be increased blood flow down there. Now, pardon me for the change of environment. The next ingredient is cloves. Cloves contains 2 ingredients, eugenol and acetylcholine. Eugenol is an anti-inflammatory. Acetylcholine, what it does is to open your blood vessels down your joystick. When your blood vessels are open, there will be increased blood flow down your joystick. Another ingredient is celery. Celery contains nitrate, which is converted to nitric oxide. You already know what nitric oxide does. It opens your blood vessels down there, and when your blood vessels are open, there will be increased blood flow down there, and when there is increased blood flow, there will be rock hard erection. When you combine these 4 ingredients and make this juice, take it daily at least for 6 weeks. Come back to this video and drop your comments, okay?